What's up, Soul Squad? Happy. What's today? Wednesday or Tuesday? Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. So, guys, I don't know, you don't call this a vlog or a recipe. I'm going to say it's like a vlog size recipe. You know, it's just a recipe. Because guess what? I'm making lunch for everybody. And I'm in the comfort of my living room because, guys, like I tell you, that kitchen is hot. And I'm sitting down in front of the AC. And it's a sandwich. Why not? Okay. So, somebody asked me for this like some time back. I really can't remember. Anyway, I think they did when I said I was going to make sandwiches. But, so today I am making an Italian sub my way. The way we like eating it in the house. I made it several times before. So, yeah, let's get to it. We're going to make an Italian. So, how everybody doing on this hump day? It's almost Friday. Almost time for Saturday for bingo. I cannot wait, guys. So, let's get into this video. Let's make this Italian sub. The girl gonna show you how she do it in her house, and it's good. Yeah, it's good. Hope you guys. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Yay! Welcome to all my new subscribers. I hope you guys are loving the video. I hope you love the content that I'm putting on here. By being summertime, guys, I'm trying to just spruce it up a little bit. Put a little bit of everything. You know, some food videos, some family fun time. Just since we going through this pandemic, we all at home. Even though some cities has opened up, but to me, I feel so safe place is still to be. Sometimes it's home. So we just bring you the things that we're doing. And it's stuff that we do if we wasn't even going through, we were going through. We kind of like, we like having fun together, playing games and stuff. We may elevate it with the water. And the water guns, but it was so much fun. I had a ball. And yeah, still are more videos like that to come. And more food videos to come. So today, let's make this Italian sub for lunch. Alright guys, we're back. So, you're going to see hands. Hey, got Jackie. I got Jackson recording. Say hi, Jackson.
Hey, y'all.
Oh, your mouth little boy. Say
hey,
hi.
guys.
Hey, guys. Oh, my God. He did not like when he being on camera. He always running for the camera. Somebody said in the other video, oh, I'm surprised Jackson not running. Yeah, he not running today, y'all. Because I try to give my other son who does all the recording and editing, I try to find little video projects that me and Jackson could do together, and you know, give my son a break. So I said, you know what, man, Jackson can we handle making an Italian sub video together? We can handle doing this together. So, and then you know, this sandwich is not for him. So my son who don't like all the mayonnaise on here, so let's get some nice mayonnaise on there. Okay, so that's on here. So we're gonna go with first, guys. I'm gonna go with some ham. I'm gonna tell you all the meats that I got as we go along. I got some ham, and this is a little sub. You know, this is the way I do it in my house. You want the big old French roll, you can, but this is my little Italian sub. Going with 3 pieces of ham. I'm placing on here. Then I'm going with some prosciutto. Somebody, if I mess it up, guys, let me know. With the prosciutto, they got it in between paper because it's so finely thin, so they won't be stuck together. So since this is a little sub, I'm using about maybe 2 pieces of everything, guys. And if you can hear that, that's the AC. And I think you can put anything you want on your own Italian sub. That's Jackson moving all over. Jackson, don't move the camera too much. You're going to make people dizzy. They like they're on a roller coaster. Okay, so I'll do 2 pieces of prosciutto right here. And then, let me set all this to the side. And then I want some pepperonis. Now with the pepperonis, they got bigger pepperonis, but at these times, you gotta get what you can get when you're in the store. So I'm gonna place a couple pieces of pepperoni on here. This is an Italian sub for me. It don't have to be this way for you. You know? And then we got some what? I have some salami. I'm gonna go down here with 2 pieces of salami. I'm gonna break in half. And I want some salami on this sandwich. So I want 2 pieces. Yeah, it's gonna be a good sandwich. Want some salami. And then after that salami, we're gonna go with our provolone cheese. So I hope you guys. So what are we using? We're using ham, salami, prosciutto, pepperonis, and provolone cheese all wrapped up. So next we're gonna need is our lettuce. See with this right here, I'm using this lettuce, but I'm gonna roll and fold so it can like dice up into shreds. Or you can buy lettuce already shredded. You can buy iceberg lettuce already shredded. You know, it's up to you. But I shredded it for me, for my sandwich, as much as I can if I did it right. There's some lettuce up on there, some of the shredded lettuce. You really have to say, oh, you ain't shredded that right. I know. You know why? Because I saw it pinching my glove, and I didn't want my glove to get pinched. He's like, yeah, she using gloves. Yeah, just because she was making a sandwich, and she was sitting here, and she didn't feel like it. So, put on my lettuce. Parts of that shredded. That's what they really usually have on there. But you know what? It's your kitchen. Do what you want to do. Look at that lettuce. I'm trying to put it on there just right. And you can back up. You make me go almost hit the camera. Jackson trying to get all up in there. And okay. So I got my shredded lettuce on here, which it could be shredded a lot better than that, guys. You know, but it is what it is. It's what I did. I was not trying to cut my finger. For some reason, I saw my finger getting close to the Jackson like I saw my finger getting close to the knife. And I was like, wait a minute, pull back some. So that messed up my shredding. So you know how to shred lettuce, right? Roll it and then cut it. So I saw my finger. I like my finger. And though sometimes I know I be calling it close, guys. Okay. So this part come in. This part I like right here. You're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. Look, nice name, a little bit. A little bit of olive oil. Okay, guys, so we put the olive oil on it. We're gonna add a little bit of, I just shot a little bit of red wine. Red wine vinegar. Not no red wine. I ain't trying to get nobody drunk. A little bit of red wine vinegar. You know, olive oil. That sandwich be greasy. But guys, guess what we forgot to do? Got to dice that onion. Look, look at my finger again. Do it nice and thin. I don't want that many, but you don't want the onion to overpower. And you know, if you guys don't want a real strong onion taste, you know, once you dice your onions, you can always sit your onions in some cold water, and so it won't overwhelm your sandwich. Yes. I don't know who eating this. Like Brandon just asked for it. Brandon said, Mark, I guess you sure can. Because Jackson had one already, didn't you, Jackson?
Mm-hmm.
Jackson
it was yummy.
Jackson said it was yummy. And Jackson, what's for lunch? He said, you make some Italian subs? I said, I got it in there because I was going to make a video anyway. So why not? I'm trying to make my onions so they're all pretty. Now, we got that out the way because I almost forgot the onions. A sandwich can't be complete. You gotta put some of that Italian seasoning on it, right, Jackson?
Yes, sir.
I gotta add some of that Italian seasoning. Make that thing stick out. And you know, we got a shadow. Use the shadow, guys. And black pepper. That's my Italian sub.
Let me zoom this way.
No, let's do this way. You got a shadow. Me and Jackson making the sandwich. Me and Jackson making the video, y'all. But that's my Italian sub. It's on a cutting board. Hey, what y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? So, that's what's for lunch today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. But you know what? Brandon wanted. Jackson had his. And somebody at the door. And knowing me, it's probably a package, guys. So, like, share, subscribe this video. Until next time, my Italian sub, my kitchen, my way, your kitchen, your way. Everybody, let's eat.